I've been a Ford cop all my life. I put a 350 Nissan engine in it. It's also a V6 anti-U. It's a nickname of my mother. She was always with me everywhere I went.
The sport of spinning made famous by this very vehicle here and its driver, the very well-known Mr. Eddie Rasta. How are you doing, brother man?
Good, good. Nice to have you here in my ghetto. We want it raw. It must look out of control, but we're actually in control.
Let's talk about that a little bit, right? Because one of the people was telling me that every time that your car engine switches on, the entire community comes together.
You must see when this car starts and the kids are out of school. It is like, you know, on their faces, if I burst a tire and the cars are standing there and light is from maybe like a kilometer away from here, it's coming and running here and the tire is already flat. It makes my heart so broken. I have to tell my guys, put on other tires so we can go spin again. Because the community in my area, they love spinning. I never had a complaint from anyone, from the oldest to the youngest, even here.
Is it possible for someone like me to learn how to spin?
Let's do it. The more acceleration you give on it, it makes so it can slip, both wheels can turn.
Yeah. So
but
you want to
if
get
you slow, the one is pushing and the other one is like pulling.
Yeah.
So it does that. So the car won't be able to move unless you give acceleration on it. Right? Yeah. Bum, 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 bum. Full lock, full lock. Yeah, right. Bum, 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 bum.
Ja, man! Ja, man! That's the what's up! That's what's up! That's what's up! Oh! Wat zijn die mensen? Nee, dat is kwijt. Dat is kwijt. Ja. Woo! That is amazing! My friend. Yes, you've unlocked the level in me, man. That is amazing.
You did it well done.
One of your brothers was telling me that, you know, kids learn how to become mechanics because they see you building the cars.
As you can see in the area and the community we live in, you know, gangsterism is high, crime rate is high here. And you know, sometimes the police captain, he comes to me, he told me one day that I'm the peacekeeper here.
Wow.
So I asked him why, because he said, yeah, when you spin your car, everybody's watching you and there's no gang fight, nothing going on as long as you spin this car. Our kids around here, they have nothing to do, you know. There's no facility for our young kids, and especially a role model to look up to progress in life. And so they do it to me because I am a mechanic around here. Everybody knows me as Eddie Rasta, you know. And my mother teaches me one thing about small lighties. They have a bigger future as we as adults. The lighties, they love spinning.